Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today's creation came out of a real problem. Real storage. Yeah, pun intended. I'll let you spool that one around for a second. Anyway, I looked around to see if anyone else had made something I could use, but all I could find were flimsy versions that looked like they would snap if you bumped or even sneezed too hard. So, I figured I would have to make my own. Here's what I initially came up with. It works mostly, but it's kind of blocky. Like 90s cell phone blocky. Next, the second version, sleeker, maybe too sleek. The slider was so thin on the edge that I thought it might break. Plus, the overall length was off. This is where your designs can get a little crazy. Once you've made the invention work, you can shrink, contour, and refine the design as you see fit. This is the time to add style to that function. And this is really the fun part. So that led me to revision 3, and this one finally feels right. It has a tighter grip on the spools, a stronger slider, and it's versatile too. You can use it like a store display by locking the reel in place with a third screw. Or you can mount the slider so it can be removed without tools. It's the multi-tool of reel holders, without the awkward pliers that never quite close properly. The spacing on the screw mounts is 3.5-inch centers, and it accepts up to a number 6 wood screw. Let me know what you think, and what you would have done differently. Maybe you'd even make it sleeker. Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.